Hi, I'm Silas. Welcome to my channel. My channel name is Haldar AI, and I am creating here the playlist for the machine learning. Nowadays, machine learning is very popular all over the world. Many of the job sector here for this they are searching the machine learning engineer. Okay, so at first we need to know what is the machine learning, then we need to know the algorithms for the machine learning, then we need to apply the programming. Okay, so what is the machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. Actually, it's also called in short AI. I think that many of the person, many person also very knowable for the AI. Okay, so what is AI? I need to describe to you in short. I'm going to describe about the AI. See here, my blackboard here. Now I am going to show you the AI. I'm drawing something. Oh, what is looking? This is not fine. So it's the area of the AI. Okay. Let this is the area of the AI. Now in the paragraph, what I have shown you the slides. They are here. ML. Okay. ML is the branch of AI. So if this is the area of the AI, we need to do something here. Okay, like this. This is the sector of ML. So if this is the area of AI and ML is the branch of AI. Now what is the next topic? This is DL. That means deep learning. Deep learning is the branch of ML, machine learning. So ML is the branch of the AI and DL is the branch of the ML. Now here another is. This is Gen AI, and this is so much popular nowadays all over the world. Many of the person interested for this. And here another agent AI also. I'll tell about it. And this is the branch of the DL, we can say. So in this process to complete all of the category, what we need to know, what is the end to end, I want to describe this to you. At first, to understand all of the process, at first we need to understand the Python. This is an programming language. There are many of the language like as C, C Sharp, Java, PHP, .NET, blah blah blah. From this, Python is very easy. There are very many popular libraries which are very helpful for this kind of the process to implement this kind of the process, like Keras, Scikit-learn, and others. In second point, we need to know pandas. Third, we need to know NumPy. Fourth, we need to know Squall. Fifth, we need to know math. Sixth, we need to know statistics. In short, we can say stats. 7, we need to know ML, visualization. Then ML, we need to know DL, we need to know Gen AI, we need to know MLOps. What is MLOps? When you have learned to implement any kind of the model, when you know the all of the algorithm, when you know the process, the model, you need to deploy after solving all of the problem. For the deployment, you need to calm this area. This is called MLOps. How you deploy the machine learning model in the AWS Azure. This is easy if you know MLOps. It will be very easy for you. Okay. In machine learning journey, I will cover all of the area for you if you stay with me. So, at the last point, we'll try to understand isn't AI. Okay, this is another topic. So, by knowing all of these, you will be expert and you can do job in any good company, in any good position also. Okay. So we have understand what is the ML and how it is the branch of the AI. Now come to the point of machine learning. There are three types of the machine learning. One is supervised, another is unsupervised, and another is reinforcement. What is the supervised? When you will get the labeled data that is labeled, you can say this is the supervised machine learning. We need to apply the model of the supervised. Okay. Unsupervised machine learning, when data is not labeled, this need to use the clustering. So we need to use the unsupervised model also here. There are different types of the unsupervised model. I will discuss in future about this to you. Reinforcement actually indicates an agents. That means the agent will get the rewards or punishment. If agent is do the wrong, he will not get the rewards, will get punishment. By the way, he will go the right way. Okay, this is the process of the types of machine learning. Supervised learning. There are two types of the supervised machine learning. One is classification, another is regression. When output is like as categorical, I need to predict the categorical data. Then I can use the classification. I need to use the classification for the categorical output. Okay. But in the case of the numerical, I need to use the regression process. I am going to deep for this more. Classification algorithm. See here, there are neural networks, support vector machine, key nearest neighbors, decision trees, naive Bayes, logistic regression. These are the using for the classification. And I will step by step describe all of the model to you with algorithm, with mathematics, and with programming. I will use different kind of the data set to describe. Here the regression algorithm. There are many of the regression model like as linear regression, multilinear regression, gradient descent, stochastic gradient descent, mini-Bayes gradient descent, polynomial regression, lasso regression, ridge regression, blah blah blah. In this point here, the logistic regression, you can say to me, you can make question to me that you have said to me, there are two types of the supervised machine learning. One is classification, another is regression. Why logistic regression is the segment of the classification? What the reason? Actually, logistic regression look like the regression. It is not a regression model. This is for classification model. Now come to the key areas of maths for machine learning. Many of the students, many of the people thinking very difficult the mathematics term of algorithm. No, this is no hard, believe me. Linear algebra, calculus, probability and stats, matrix, vector. You no need to touch deeply. This is very basic. By touching basic process of linear algebra, calculus, probability, stats and vector matrix, you can do the algorithm. This is no hard. If you try with me, when I am giving you the guideline, if you try with this guideline, it will be not difficult to you. Believe me, to understand the algorithm process, by understanding all, programming will be very easy to you. You can describe any kind of the programming, which model you need to use to solve the problem. You will understand easily if you know the algorithm, if you know the mathematics, if you know the data set. To understand all, you need to be set your mind that I will run. This is not difficult, okay? So I have said you to set your mind for the algorithm for the mathematics, but you need to know what is the language also. I have said that there are many of the languages you can use for the machine learning. In industry level, you need to use Python. Many of the industry is using Python. Python is the most popular all over the world, and the programmer and industry person also choosing this Python for its popularity and for its library. So R language, what is the benefit of the R? R is using basically research area. The researchers are also using this R language. This is very helpful for the research area, okay? But in the case of the industry level, because you are hunting the job, you are interested for the job, so you need to understand the Python with good knowledge, okay? And I'm going to create a Python playlist for you, as you can get knowledge about it also here. So this was my topic for today. What is the machine learning? I have said about the AI, the process of the machine learning, and many things in it. Hope this video will be very helpful to you. From next video, I will show you the algorithm and programming. By the step by step, I will cover all. Please stay with me, and if you like this video, kindly give the thumbs up, give the love react, subscribe my channel, and click on the bell icon for get a notification for next video. So many thank you for support me. Bye.